Endometriosis is a complex reproductive disorder that affects nearly 10% of the women in fertile years of their life. To find relief from the pain and agony of endometriosis symptoms, most of the women resort to invasive treatments such as surgery, painkillers, or hormone therapy. However, all of these treatments come with a lot of side effects and a possibility of recurrence, which puts your health into risk in the long term. Unlike the conventional treatment for endometriosis, Ayurvedic treatment offers a holistic approach which addresses the root cause of endometriosis for your specific case. Ayurvedic treatment for endometriosis involves use of herbs, diet and lifestyle to establish your hormone balance, support your fertility, immunity, and hence naturally remove the inflammation from your body, which is creating and propagating endometrial cysts in your body. Hi, this is Nidhi Bansal here from Medhya Herbals. We help women to gain health with all natural and holistic principles of Ayurveda, and in this video I will share with you Ayurvedic treatment options for endometriosis and how you can put your health back on track with an all-natural health regime which is easy to follow, will help you to rejuvenate and support your health in the long term. Let's get started. Let's take a better look at endometriosis and understand what exactly is happening. You can also check out this video on endometriosis symptoms and signs to gain a better understanding of the root cause of endometriosis and the symptoms that you should be aware of. Now, in endometriosis, there is an unnatural growth of endometrial tissues outside the uterine lining, and this happens as a result of inflammation in the body. Unfortunately, these endometrial tissues are also active. They respond to the hormones floating inside your body, and similar to the endometrial lining inside the uterus, they also grow and bleed every month. Now, unlike the uterine endometrium, which can exit through your body through the menstrual flow, these endometrial tissues have no way to get out of the body. They stay inside the abdominal cavity, and most of the places these endometrial tissues and cysts will grow are your ovaries, the fallopian tube, outside the uterine lining, in the pelvic area, or on further body parts such as the bladder or inside the colon. And when they start growing and bleeding every month, it creates a lot of pain and scarring inside your body. Since this blood is not exiting out, it starts to grow further and develop in the form of cysts, which are often termed as chocolate cysts. And this is a common sign of endometriosis which most of the women struggle with. These cysts can be painful or not depending on your specific imbalances. However, pain and poor digestion are the most common symptoms which are experienced by women who are struggling with endometriosis. In Ayurveda, endometriosis can be related to Vata-Dosh imbalance in its early stages. And when Vata-Dosh goes out of balance, it also aggravates the balance of Pitta-Dosha, which regulates the production of hormones in your body, and also of Kapha-Dosh, which regulates the normal reproductive function and growth in your body. Now, when Vata-Dosh goes out of balance, it also is reflected in your digestive fire, which becomes irregular, as a result of which there are poor digestion symptoms such as bloating, gas, distension, and lot of pain which comes with every menstrual cycle. Due to poor digestive fire, there is also toxin buildup in the body. It's called ARM. When ARM starts to build up in your body, it also creates fertile ground for hormone imbalances, a lot of inflammation, which disturbs the normal functioning of your immune system, of your digestion, of your nervous system, and also of multiple organs and systems in the body. The factors that can push your Vata-Dosh out of balance and lead to poor digestion and toxin buildup in your body are related to your diet and lifestyle. That's why it is really important to address these factors first and hence take a holistic approach towards healing your endometriosis. In Ayurveda, your endometriosis treatment starts with a root cause diagnosis of your specific symptoms. Since the intensity and the type of endometriosis symptoms vary in every woman, in Ayurveda it is important that we diagnose what is specifically causing your specific symptoms, and hence we try to adopt a suitable dietary, lifestyle and herbal regimen to start addressing these health issues. In Ayurveda, endometriosis treatment takes a 4-step approach which involves detoxification of the body to get rid of the excess dosha and also the toxin buildup in the body through a use of herbs, diet and lifestyle. And this detoxification should be carried out under the supervision of an Ayurvedic practitioner who will guide you to safely remove the toxins out of your body. This is because if these toxins are not removed safely and they are just staggered inside your body in different organs, they will create further inflammation. That's why it is important that you don't abruptly adopt any kind of detox options, because it can lead to further problems. Now, the second step in Ayurvedic treatment for endometriosis is to establish your hormone balance back, because the inflammation and toxin buildup in the body have also pushed the normal production and the quality of your hormones away. It is important that we start addressing them by adopting right nutrition and with the usage of proper herbs, which will help you to support the hormones that have gone off in your specific case. Now, the third step in Ayurvedic treatment for endometriosis is to support mental wellness. It is really important to take care of your mental health, because stress is one of the factors that is causing majority of the reproductive disorders, and specifically the health issues which are related to Vata-Dosh imbalance. When you are stressed, you are anxious, you are nervous, it really pushes your Vata out of balance. The Apan Vayu in your body, which has a normal direction to flow downward, it starts flowing upward, which creates a ground of retrograde menstruation, which triggers endometriosis in the first place. That's why it is important that you follow a routine which helps you to balance Vata-Dosh and also helps you to support your digestive fire, relieve stress from your body and from your mind. And the fourth step in Ayurvedic treatment is to strengthen the reproductive system and to boost the fertility of the woman. This will also be directed towards establishing regular pain-free periods and also making sure that ovulation is taking place in your body on a monthly basis. Now, let's look into each and every factor from an Ayurvedic perspective so that you can start implementing these principles in your daily life and start finding relief from endometriosis symptoms. Ayurvedic herbs are potent herbal medicines that are used according to the specific imbalances and according to the specific health symptoms that a patient needs relief from. They need to be taken under the supervision of a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner who can help you to find the right usage of the herbs and the right quantity of herbs and the right type of herb that you need for your specific case. Now, Ayurvedic herbs can help you to find relief from endometriosis symptoms by naturally detoxifying your body, by providing the essential micronutrients in the form of minerals and vitamins and antioxidants that your body needs. They reduce inflammation in the body. They also support multiple body functions such as the nervine function, the circulatory function, and the purification and the flow of blood tissues in the body. Ayurvedic herbs also help to relax the mind and body. They increase and strengthen our body's stress response system or the parasympathetic system, such that we are able to handle the daily stresses in a better way. Here is a list of Ayurvedic herbs which can be utilized for endometriosis treatment. Note that they need to be taken under the guidance of a qualified practitioner. Your diet plays an important role in establishing the integrity and function of your immune system as well as the growth of proper body tissues. When you are taking a nourishing diet such that it provides you with all the essential nutrients which will strengthen the body tissues and also the functioning of your immune system, you will naturally create a defense against any kind of illness, not just endometriosis. So your diet should have all the essential nutrients and antioxidants which will bolster the functioning of your immune system. Here are the nutrients which you need to specifically look into to reduce the inflammation in your body. Now, the root cause of endometriosis, as we saw earlier, is inflammation, toxin buildup, and also lack of nourishment from your diet. That's why start taking each meal as a part of medicine that you need to take for endometriosis treatment. Be very careful and vigilant about what you are putting inside your body. And when you do that, your diet can become the primary source of the healing force that you need inside your body. So here are the foods that will provide you with essential nutrients that we just saw. These foods will have an anti-inflammatory effect on the body. They will support the balance levels of hormones in your body. You are lacking sufficient production of estrogen and progesterone, and there is a high amount of cortisol flowing in the body. You need to balance all these hormones such that they start supporting your health in a regular fashion. While you are looking into the foods that you should be taking in, it's also important that you take care of the dietary practices, how you are taking in these foods, how you are preparing these foods, and the timing of intake of the foods and meals in your daily routine. So here are the ground rules to balance Vata dosh with your diet. Number 1 is to have regular and timely meals. Do not delay your meals and do not keep binging on. Both of these dietary practices push the Vata dosh out of balance. They also aggravate Kapha and Pitta dosha in the body. Kapha leads to a lot of growth of endometrial tissues, clots in your menstrual flow, and is also related to the growth of body fat and weight gain. And Pitta dosha, on the other hand, creates a lot of stress and heat in the body, as a result of which the inflammation in your body is further aggravated. That's why make sure that you are balancing the dosha with the proper dietary practices. Now, the second thing that you need to be mindful of is when you are eating, just focus on your food. It's really important to be calm and settled while eating, because that's the time when your body is actually realizing the taste of the food that you are taking in. That's called ras. And when you are realizing the ras of the food you're putting inside your mouth, it will also help you to balance your dosha and also the digestive fire or the agni in a natural fashion. Number 3 is to not take too much cold food, and also do not drink a lot of water with your meals, because that dampens your digestive fire and also leads to a lot of digestive issues and toxin buildup in the body. Number 4 is to avoid very heavy meals. Your digestive fire is weak, there is toxin buildup in the body. That's why you need to be really mindful of the kind of meals that you are taking in. You can nourish your body only when your digestive fire is good. That's why have light and easy to digest meals which are also warm and freshly prepared. This will provide you with the right ground to start cooking the food in a better fashion inside your body and also nourish your body tissues. This is also a crucial step to start detoxifying naturally from your body. Number 5 is to practice fasting whenever you can. As I said, you should not be delaying your meals, because that pushes Vata out of balance. But at the same time, when you are fasting, specifically in the night time, that will give your body a time and the required break to detoxify and also push all the waste material out of your body when you sleep. This is the natural detoxification mechanism of the body. And when you are doing this, you are also supporting your digestion and detoxification. Now let's look into the Ayurvedic lifestyle practices that will also help you to establish the integrity of your immune system and also reduce the inflammation in your body. So number 1, which I always mention, is to have regular and timely sleep and ensure that you are clocking in at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. It is important that you are getting this, because sleep is the time when your body detoxifies naturally. It also bolsters the functioning of your immune system, establishes your hormone balance via your circadian rhythms, and also supports natural growth of body tissues. Number 2 is to get sufficient amount of physical activity. Do not over exercise, but do get moderate intensity of exercise, which will provide you with sufficient stimulation to boost your metabolism and also to strengthen your immune system functioning and also relax your mind. Go for those activities which help you to relax and not get stressed out. And if you are not working out currently, do not worry. Just start with normal walking. Just 30 minutes of walk every day in nature can work wonders on your body and mind. It's a tonic for your mind and also to your endocrine glands and hormone balance. The next thing that you should do is to get rid of all the toxins from your food, from your personal care products, and from the household products, and also around your environment. Take a better look at the things that you are consuming in or exposed to on daily basis. If there are any chemicals, just remove them and adopt natural options for personal care products and also for household products. This will help you to get rid of all the chemical toxins which are creating imbalances and inflammation in your body. The fourth thing that you need to be careful of in terms of Ayurvedic lifestyle practices will be to manage stress and also to relax your body in a natural fashion on daily basis. Pranayama, yoga and meditation are powerful tools to support the functioning of your nervous system, that of your mind, to help you calm down, relax your body, and also establish the integrity of the immune system, which has fallen weak under stress and also under inflammation. When you are doing deep breathing exercises such as Pranayama on daily basis, it also gives you the essential life force or pran, which invigorates your body and mind. It supports the functioning of your immune system, provides you with essential oxygen that your body is lacking. It supports the flow of blood and that of lymph inside your body. So do make sure that you are including these practices on a daily basis. Other than that, you can manage stress by saying no to all the stresses that you are being exposed to, if you can do that. Otherwise, you should adopt an attitude towards letting go and not getting affected by things that are affecting your health. Your health is a priority. And talking about that, the next thing that you should be careful of is about self-care. It's not selfish to focus on self-care. This is because when you are taking care of yourself, you are also better equipped to take care of your loved ones and do the things that you really want to do. When you are not feeling good, then you are not able to spend quality time with people and on things that you would like to do, kind of off all the time or stressed out as a result of which. So do make sure that you are doing those things that are making you happy and relaxed, and also helping you to reduce the stress in your life in a natural fashion. Another effective Ayurvedic tool to balance the Vata dosh is regular massage. Do make sure that you are providing the essential fats to your body through your skin and through your meals. And when you are doing daily massage, it doesn't just provide you with essential fats, it also helps you to relax and calm down. Massage or abhyanga is considered to be a tool of rejuvenation, to protect your body tissues and also prevent aging in Ayurveda. When you are doing regular massage, specifically of your soul, of your legs and of your scalp, that it really improves the circulation in your body and also bring balance to the nervous system functioning. So do make sure that you are taking out time for self-care, for abhyanga, for things and people that you would like to spend time on. Other than this, there are Ayurvedic physical therapies such as Panchkarma, which involves Vaman, Virechan, Basti, Nasya and Shirodhara, which can be carried out based on the requirements of your body and also as suggested by your doctor. These therapies involve systematic way of loosening and removing the toxins from your body and also nourishing your body as required. Do note that Panchkarma should not be carried out when you are in a really weakened state, because it can deplete your body, and it should only be carried when you have sufficient strength in the body to actually bear the intensity of these physical therapies. That's why it's not right for everybody to do Panchkarma or at any point. It should be done under the direction of a qualified medical practitioner who will guide you with proper usage and proper steps of Panchkarma that can be carried out for your specific case. So that was all. I hope you found it useful. Do leave your comments, suggestions and feedback and I'll get back. I will see you soon. Until then, bye.